Hello again, everyone. The other day when I was making a whole bunch of cards, I'd got out the little die for these penguins. Don't know what I've done with them. Oh, here they are. And I didn't get round to using them. I think they're memory box. So I thought I'd do a quick one today. And I was looking for this Warm Winter Wishes sentiment die the other day. This is a Stamplorations one. Couldn't find it, and I looked through my Christmas sentiment box time and again, and then there it was, hiding in plain sight. So I thought I'd use that as well. Just pure and simple, a really quick card. And I wondered what I could sit the penguins on, and I thought I would try the little slatted oval from Craft Addiction UK. And my idea is just to have that there, almost like a frozen pond or something, and have a couple of the penguins just sitting on it or talking to each other like that with Warm Winter Wishes at the bottom. That's kind of it. So I think we'll just get on and do. Because I went to the hygienist this morning. It's one of my least favourite things to do in the world. She was very good, actually, and she said I'd done better this time than last time. So that's good news, isn't it? And I was hoping to go on to my Art Society lecture after that, but sadly there wasn't enough time to get there, so missed it for this month, which is a real shame. I think I better just tape this to make sure it stays horizontal. Right, it's a bit slippery. I think about there. Okay. Right. So there's my little horizontal something or other. And I thought I would have, I don't know, pale blue or something behind it. I'll just find a piece. There's a tiny little sliver of shaving foam background here. That might look all right. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I may just want a plain piece of blue. Let's just sort these penguins out. I think what I'm going to do is to put a piece of tape on the back of one of them, one of each, facing each direction, and then I can stick the other ones, the other bits, on the top. So let's just have a fairly thin sliver. And one for the one facing the other direction. Here it is. Just have to tidy up the top of this because there's a little bit showing around the edge. Perhaps better use these as sticky scissors. That's okay. Okay, that's okay as well. Right, I can pop that one in. I'm just going to colour the whole of those black. And then these ones, I'll just do the outside black and the tummies white or a bit of grey shading or something. So just a little bit of silicone just to pop them onto. Here's my black one. So we'll just colour these. Probably shouldn't have gone over the beak, but not to worry. So these are going to be black. Let's have, I don't know what colour beaks penguins have. That looks really red, doesn't it? I don't know if they have red beaks. That's Y5. Let's put a lighter Y on the top, make it more orangey. That'll probably do. Should have tested it first, shouldn't I, really? Right, let's just do this now. I use the other end for going around the beak. I was just thinking, what I could do perhaps is just do some sort of glittery stuff behind there. Don't know about that. We'll see. Right, a little bit of shading just down one side of these. And then we can pop them onto the other ones. Always tend to do my shading on the left for some obscure reason. I think it was because my light always used to come from the right. So that was kind of my light source. Right, I'm going to put a little white dot on for the eye of these. So I'll be using my bleed proof white for that. That's this one. Doc Martens bleed proof white. If I use a gel pen, often the colour of the alcohol ink underneath will show through. So let's just turn these over and put some glue on. There's no eye marked on these dies, or die cut, shall we say. Just a trace of glue and it's everywhere. Let's just do these eyes. I do it with a very, very, very fine brush. Like this one will do. Look at that, tiny. What is it, a 0? 10 over nothing. Don't know what that means. Drop of water, just to soften the brush. Don't want to get myself in a mess with that. Okay, I think that will do. I'll put a little black dot on later. Now they are going to go onto there like that. Do I want this underneath? No, that's too hectic. I'll join these together. For these, I'm going to use my little dabbit. Okay. I think I'll put a bit of twinkle on that. Let me, I'll do the twinkle first, then I'll stick it on. So just a bit of this glue, this will go over the, I want to cover the whole surface. That's why I'm using this broad-tipped glue pen. Here's my twinkle. I can just dunk that in. It's getting low. I've got to do a tittle for the eye. Let's just see if I can just do this with this. No, I can't do it. That's okay. Right. Now I want to put some on the back of this. Let's just do this. what I'm going to do is actually what I just suggested, and put a little bit of this glue onto the card base, just under there. I think that's covered it. That's it. That's nice. So, right, this is going to go onto foam tape. And then we're nearly done. Okay. It's going to go onto there. And we can pop these two little chaps like that. I think that'll be fine. I will just try and put a little dot in their eyes. I have to use a really, really fine one. Okay, let's try this. Not terribly distinct. We'll try. We'll leave it at that. I've just spotted that there's some tiny little hearts from between these two. Look at them, they're there. So how about if I just try and get a couple of hearts and just stick them onto one of these. I don't know if I'm going to manage. They're so, look at the size of them. Look. Absolutely minuscule. I don't even know if I'm colouring the right side. Oh dear. Let's just try and get this red off. The red does stain, I'm afraid. Because I did it fairly quickly, it's not too bad. So there we go. I don't know if I like those in that position. I think I'd rather have them absolutely in the middle. There we go. Sweet, isn't it? So, warm winter wishes. A couple of little penguins hoping to keep warm. Anyway, there's more for me to do here. So, thanks for watching. Do come back and see me very soon. And I'm still working on my Christmas cards. So thanks for joining me.